Well, hello YouTube and TikTok channel. It's Belmont here. And last week, y'all got a video about me mentioning my book and it being done. So, yeah, talked about that a little bit. So, rolling into this week, I got my Master Lock number 3. Y'all saw me do number 1 before. Same common mistake with the one I found at Walmart. Didn't have a key ring, so twist tie, coded number on it, Master Lock brand on it, code 3402, key bitting, yeah, opens, yeah. Now, normally I would have been on a little bit earlier, but I was helping Mississippi werewolves. Now, I picked this twice before I started the video, so I know it can pick open. Boom. That fast. Okay. What have I learned about this lock so far? Well, it was $10 and some change. It's a Master Lock number 3. I wanted it very much. So, by helping out some Mississippi werewolves was actually to help her flick her Bic. And I don't mean her bean, I mean a Bic lighter. So, as ironic as that sounds, it's true. What else? Also to tell her about how for her to meditate, since she bought a book through Amazon written by a schmuck who decided to pull it from 3 different sources, including using Wicca. As y'all know, the Belmont clan deals in magics, we deal in the supernatural, we deal with everything, including we deal in lockpicking. But I can say one thing successfully this week is that I didn't misplace my gun flying on an airline. That is that is what happened to a pen tester. And he's associated with the idiot who would suggest that you buy his product and not wear proper respirator while having a little spoon go with it, and then getting a lead vapor up in your face. Sorry, but now, as much as I respect the hustle of their pen testing and all that, their crap is overpriced. And personally, I'd rather buy it elsewhere. Now, to address something else, I noticed that the whole conversation with Mayhem Keys went missing from my YouTube channel. Whether it got deleted by Mayhem Keys or by YouTube, I do not know. That was not me. But Junior Mayhem Keys brought up some excellent points about these zero flippers. In fact, on AliExpress, I did see a zero flipper for about $30. I was considering picking it up. Granted, I do need to get a little bit more knowledge and research on the subject. But that's talk for another day. Wrapping this up, my nephew, Lan, I'm waiting out till June before we get the book printed out. We're going to get you the items off AliExpress, get you a decent-ish pick set, clean it up for you, customize it, get you some jigglers. You're going to get a set of bump keys. I'm going to find you a bump hammer, and I'm going to give you some pen testing keys. What can I say? I'm a good uncle. All right, so that's going to do it for this week. As always, this is Belmont saying, stick around.